Dreaming of exploring the world, but worried about the costs? What if I told you that you could travel smarter, see more, and spend less? Hi, I'm Glenn, and I've been on countless adventures around the world, and I'm here to show you how you can do the same. Introducing Travel Well, Spend Smart with Glen, your ultimate guide to exploring the world without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your journey, this book is packed with practical, actionable tips that will change the way you travel. In this book, you'll learn how to pick the best budget-friendly destinations, find affordable accommodations, and even enjoy the local cuisine without overspending. I'll show you how to make every dollar count so you can experience more without the stress of high costs. It's all about being smart with your travel choices. I'll teach you how to plan your trips without sacrificing the things that matter most, like memorable experiences, local culture, and real adventures. Discover insider tips on finding hidden gems around the world, saving big on flights and accommodation, traveling light and stress-free, and much more. And the best part? You don't have to be a millionaire to see the world. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long journey, Travel Well, Spend Smart with Glen will help you travel in style without breaking the bank. Ready to start your next adventure? Get your copy of Travel Well, Spend Smart with Glen today and unlock the secrets to budget-friendly travel. Your next great adventure is waiting, and it starts with making smart choices. See you out there, traveler. Let's make every journey a smart one.